with Educational Lunch. Today we're just here doing a kill wasp home remedy slash natural, non-natural way without using insecticide if you don't like it. Now if you're scared of wasps, please use insecticide because they're going to come after you anyway. But I'm going to show you another way. So the soap suds actually get inside of the respiratory system of the yellow jacket, and it actually kills them. They're called paper wasps. We slang call them yellow jackets. But I'm going to pour the solution in, and I'm going to use the soap right here, and then I'm going to shake this up, and then I want to get suds, because if I don't have suds, then I can't go after and kill them, and it won't suffocate them, and it won't eat their shells. So we're going to go out there and take a look at our little nest. Okay guys, I'm back. So they're in the middle of the fence right here. I'll zoom in so you can see them. He's scoping me out. They're scoping me out right there. They don't even know what's coming, but they're getting ready to come out and come get us. But we got a little surprise for them. So get in there really good. Now this will get on their shells and it'll eat the inside of their shells, but you're going to watch them drop. Some will fly out. Don't do that. He's being a goofball, shining it in front of there. One sec.
Recording. Go.
Okay, we're shaking it up, and I know you guys are rooting for the wasps and for me to get stung. It's possible.
I'm gonna move back here a little bit.
See?
He got one. There's another coming out.
I got the rest of them in there. There's another one that dropped out. Do you see that down there?
Smash him.
There's another one dropped out. They do not like soap and water, my friends.
Where is this guy?
So that's how you make quick work of them and knock them out. Comments. Peace out and good night now.
Ba-na-na-na. We have one last thing for you. Die! 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 There you go.
Hey guys, today we're doing just how started over. Hey guys, today we're doing home remedy, how to, I'm not saying